Looking to invest in a property in the open market, be it for own stay or for rental income, can be a daunting process, especially when there are so many choices. First, we need to plan our budget, then we consider the property type and the property age, the unit layout, and most important of all, the location. These are probably the deciding criteria of most people in property investment. Well, if you are watching this video, I might just have the right unit for you. Hello everyone, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. I'm here at Hillsta, a private condominium along Phoenix Road, and I'm eager to show you a 570 square feet, 1-bedroom apartment that not only has a spacious and functional layout, it is also bright and airy, making it a very ideal home for yourself or your tenant. So let's check it out.
Hillsta is a 99 years leasehold private condominium with a total of 416 units. Set in a modern and contemporary architecture, there is a wide variety of condo facilities to keep your leisure time occupied. From lap pools to gym, barbecue pits to function room, you name it. Before we look at the actual unit, let's look at the layout. Located at Tower B, our unit is a 570 square feet, 1-bedder. As we can see, the living and dining is spacious and functional, giving you ample space to decorate and furnish the way you like it. The balcony opens up to a full height, full width frontage, allowing natural light and breeze, making the unit always comfortable. Master bedroom is pretty sizable too, allowing you to put in a double bed, wardrobe, and even a writing desk with ease. Master bath features a sunken bath, separating the wet and the dry, hence making this place always comfortable and cozy. We also have a well-defined kitchen space, making cooking always a joy. Last but not least, we also have a home shelter that doubles as a store to keep your stuffs organized. Now that we have seen the condo and the unit, let's move on to see the amenities. Hillsta is strategically located where amenities are within easy reach. For a start, if you don't drive, Phoenix LRT station is a mere 5-minute walk away, where a 10-minute ride will bring you to Choa Chu Kang MRT station of the North-South line. Besides this, the Bukit Panjang MRT station of the downtown line is a 15-minute walk away, and a 45-minute ride will bring you all the way to Suntec City. If you drive, we are linked to AYE via Bukit Batok Road and Jurong Town Hall Road. The PIE, on the other hand, is linked via Bukit Panjang Road and BKE. For your daily essentials, we are close by to not 1, not 2, but 3 shopping malls, namely Junction 10, Hillian Mall and Bukit Panjang Plaza, where you will find an abundance of eateries and shopping. Of course, there are so much more amenities you can find that are within walking distance from Hillsta, like within the Teck Whye, Choa Chu Kang, Bukit Panjang, as well as the Bukit Gombak housing estates, enhancing our locality convenience indeed.
So there you have it, a very good sized 1-bedder unit in a relatively young private condominium, nestled in a peaceful yet convenient location. If you can imagine coming home here every day, then you have to scan this QR code. Get in touch with me and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and I hear from you soon.